Hey guys, well there's another product I bought, sander. Something else I've been wanting for a long time, but I couldn't find one at the price range I wanted, and this was a good little deal. This is almost better than the lathe. It's very, very handy. You can do tons of stuff with this thing, tons of stuff. And it's so versatile. Again, you guys can check out grizzly.com if you're interested. There's a model number on it. It's a H6070. So yeah, it's has lots of cool features. It's 1/3 horsepower. With a disc, belt sander, tilt table. It just has all sorts of stuff. It's just cool. What else? It's a direct drive. Has a dust port on it. It takes a standard belt. Miter guard, has just all sorts of stuff. Anyways, I'm going to unbox it. This is something that everyone should have to save your hands at a later date. Got a nice thick manual. I'm going to put this box down so I can see the thing. Oh, she's heavy. More styrofoam. This has a lot of stuff going to come out of it. Now let's keep your boxes. That's always a good thing to have. Oh man, lots of goodies. Oh yeah, fun. Wow. There you go, boys. How cool is that? The 110 volt. Very, very handy. I mean, Harbor Freight down the States, Prentice Auto up here in Canada has these, and they're expensive. And I mean, for what you guys can use it for, this is plenty good enough. So I've been wanting a little belt sander, this sander for a long time. So pretty handy. It's pretty slick. I like it. This is almost a must-have thing for motor building. If you do a lot of heavy scratch building, this is almost a must-have. More than the lathe, actually. So yeah, pretty cool. I mean, it's all Chinese stuff, and whatever. Everything nowadays is made somewhere in Asia, so yeah, that's alright. It's good enough. I mean, I'm not going to spend thousands of dollars on a sander. I mean, yeah, pretty cool. Okay, I'm excited. This will do for here. It's all adjustable. This is cool. And here's the. This is also adjustable for the belt sander. It's cool. Look at that cute little thing. Yeah, that is. I forget what these are called. But yeah. So yeah, little fence thing. It slides on the part of the sander. Yeah, so you can go like this or whichever angle you want. Oh, this is cool. Definitely cool. I think it's a must-have for anyone. Maybe your guys' wives will be watching this video. Maybe they can buy you one as a Christmas gift. So, anyways, yeah, I'm gonna enjoy this. It's gonna come in super handy. See, I told you guys. I said when I was upgrading my hobby room here, I said I was gonna buy a lathe and a sander, some stuff. I got it. So, and you know, it's very affordable, and if you're in the States, it's cheap for you. So yeah, not so cheap for us people in Canada because the dollar is I forget what it was now, but anyways, I forget what the exchange on the dollar is, but it is not too good. So anyways, yeah, so if you guys are buying, you guys in the States looking at anything from grizzly.com, there are some deals in there, and if you guys like doing your own kind of machining, and I suggest you guys checking it out. Do your shopping, you compare your prices from Harbor Freight and different places, but for me, I found this was the best deal. These two items I bought, the lathe and the sander, were the best deals I could find, even though the exchange rate was not good, but it still was cheaper buying it from the States than it was, or from the US, than buying it here in Canada. So, you know, whatever, do your shopping. Anyways, thanks for watching my videos, guys. If anyone has any questions, please comment below my video, and you know, I'll do another review on it. I want to get things all set up and actually doing some stuff on it. So, anyways, thanks for watching my videos, and bye for now. Take it easy, guys.